had an amazing day out here with C.H.Electrical out in Johnson City.
Hi there, I'm Clayton Hanks with C.H.Electrical, and we're doing a solar installation here, and I have my friends from the Green Roof team at SIU.
The Green Roof team at SIU is a multidisciplinary group that focuses on putting renewable energy sources around campus and also around the Carbondale area.
I invited them out here to see an actual installation and physically see what it takes to install a solar system.
Hi, this is Tanner Clark with the Green Roof team. Today, I'm showing off a solar panel that was graciously donated to us by Clayton Hanks and C.H.Electrical. As you can see from the details here, it has seen better days. This was a damaged cell, but it still has a lot of very interesting parts to it, so we were able to take a lot of information from it. We were able to tear it apart a little bit, take a look at the tempered glass shell, the actual solar cell, the composite substrate on the back, and a lot of good electrical components in between. So
with that, we were able to go through what hardware is used. We're also looked at the inverter that converts the DC from the panels to AC. I let them commission it so they can get experience with that. We also took apart the inverter to see how everything was wired when it comes to it, and I just wanted to let them come out here and get a hands-on approach to how solar works and how it's installed.
Hi, my name is Stephen Schulte. I work with the Green Roof team. Right here we have a solar panel donated to us from C.H.Electrical. We've been working on separating the cells from the tempered glass in the substrate so we can study it. Right here you can see our attempts. We've accidentally pulled some of the cell off with the substrate and we put a hole through it. But we have learned a lot from this, and we hope to get a full cell removed from the substrate and tempered glass without damaging it, so we can see more of how it works.
Case in point, how we've been out with C.H.Electrical before to help install panels just like these, and we just enjoy every opportunity that we can get to really get a tangible sense of what we're working at. So once again, we'd like to thank C.H.Electrical, and we're looking forward to more opportunities to learn with them and with the rest of our sponsors.
We had an amazing time seeing the panel system, seeing how to commission a inverter, and with all this information and being hands-on, we feel more comfortable with talking about solar now, from the technology to how you go about it. And our team is excited to compete at NREL's Solar District Cup. It's a competition we've been working about 2 months on for designing grid-tied systems at OSU's campus, the Ohio State University. And we're excited to finish up that project and focus on our own grid-tied system at SIU Carbondale. Stay sustainable, folks.